Welcome back to my channel, Erotics TV. By the way, I'm Jayson. I'm your reactor here, and I have something to share to you guys. I have flowers. I have a plants here. So, this is my, my lucky charm. They said that this is a lucky charm, guys. See? What do you call this plant to your country or to your state in Manipur? See? This is a money plant. that said that this is a very lucky plant, guys. If you have like this in your room, okay, guys, just to share to you guys. All right. So for today's video, let's continue. Okay. So for today's video, guys, let's start to the title. This is not a request. I just want to react only. Yeah, this is a Manipuri song, and the title of this music is WANGANGDABA SADUNA official music video release, and it was sung by Pushparani Huidrom Records. Wow. Who is the cast here? The cast here, guys, is are Bonnie Sharma, Great Son Sagolsem, and Heina Sangjayram. Alright, so that's it, our title and the cast and the singer. So are you excited to hear this music? But before that, please, for those new to my channel again, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. So let's start, guys. Without further ado, let's start. Where's my magic headset? Woo! And my magic hat. Cowboy. WANGANGDABA SADUNA. Pushparani. Oh, what an introduction. Sounds of music. This is a guitar. Whoa. They are in the library. That's the sounds, or that's the voice of Pushparani. Oh, this is Bonnie. I know Bonnie. Woo! Yeah, this is Bonnie. I know him. She wants to get the attention of this guy. Oh, he's jealous? The best voice, Pushparani Huidrom. Oh. He said, "Don't follow me." Did you see what he's drawing, guys? Again, they see each other. Bonnie here is a teacher or professor. Yeah, he's like a professor here. Wow! What a voice of Pushparani. Wow! Who is this? Wow. They are all shocked when they see this lady. The girlfriend of Bonnie. Wow. Alright, what do you think about this song, WANGANGDABA SADUNA? Wow, the voice of Pushparani, my goodness. She's a songbird. And I like to hear her voice, guys. Oh man! Who is the cashier? Bonnie Sharma and great son Sagol Sem and Henna Sangram. What a great performance to three of you. You did well in this music video. Some of the part here are so very some of the part here are very funny and what do you call this? You feel in love with some of part also here. You feel in love. It's hard to react, guys. If I know the lyrics one by one, guys, all the lyrics of your song, I can explain it properly to you guys. Only a few that I can speak or I can react in your music video, but don't be worried, guys, because that's only my opinion, that's only my idea, that's only my reaction, so that's all only. But the song, the music, I love her, especially the one who sing this one, the famous singer Pushparani Huidrom. Congratulations, and to your whole team, okay, to your whole or to all the one who participating this music, congratulations, okay, and keep it up to make another music. All right, so thank you so much, guys. And what else? Oh, nothing. Nothing. See you on my next reaction video again. And subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. So I hope you enjoy, you happy, and you will continue to watch my reaction video. I love you all, guys, especially to the people in Manifori that always here or still there to support me and to help me to reach my 6,000 subscribers. See you on my next reaction video, guys. I love you all, and God bless you. Bye-bye!